It's Friday, July 19th, and we're about 3 hours outside of Lubbock, Texas, headed back for a show and to do some other portrait work. So I volunteer at a local animal shelter here in Lubbock, and this morning we did photographs of adoptable dogs, and then I had a headshot session after that, so we did that, and then we went back to the van and edited for a little while. Now we're kind of in the hottest part of the afternoon, which is the time we generally try to get outside of the van. So we're at a local park, and we're just taking a walk. We'll probably walk for a while and then just kind of drive around with the AC on, maybe go to Cabela's and walk around inside for a while.
You're not gonna get him? This one? Where'd he go? Oh, he's on Hazel. We are having leftover potato salad, Amish style.
I think right there. Probably should put it on from here before because if I walk around it, I'm gonna lose it.
Yeah, just go like this.
Here, put your finger there. Okay, move it.
Perfect. And then two more exactly like it. Okay, you ready for me?
Sure.
The unit will cover that up. it's 2 layers. Okay. Okay.
Oh, there's a cord in there. Do you see it? Electrical cord that's maybe from, what is that from? Yeah, on that side.
Yeah, but I've got it on that side now. This will actually drill on the inside now. Do it ever so slowly. Using that hole as your alignment. Is that okay where that hole is?
It's a little bit to the right.
Okay, well just go to the left of it then.
Okay.
With the tip.
Okay.
And then slowly drill it in, and that will be your pilot hole. Okay. Now lower it down a hair. Okay.
Like that?
Right there. And then just turn it on and let it work. Don't have to give it much power. We'll go through in a second. Now bring it over towards me a little bit. Yeah.
It's hard to hang on to.
Okay. And just pull it out. Okay.
I like your van camper.
Thank you.
It's really nice.
Thank you.
Okay, see how tight this is? Because we used the 1 7/8 or...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guess we're gonna take this one off too now.
Yeah.
Will it be okay not to seal that, or should I put some kind of seal, watertight seal on that?
Well, when we put in the screws, that's going to pinch
Okay.
that. So it should be fine, but we'll do whatever you want to do.
Well, whatever you think.
No, I'm not taking blame for it. Looks a lot better.
That thing doesn't want to sit on the outside of it.
Hold on, let me bring it back out.
There you go.
You got a little black paint?
No.
Let me see if I do. Be right back.
Okay. All right, let's see if this works. First time plugging it in.
one. Kinda cool hand look, but he burned me with his touch, and he looked just like you. I caught a train bound for Wild West, but old Jesse James stole the heart out of my chest. That's the last time. Oh, but I didn't want to sing it, ready to see what he on the out. We don't need to, we got everything we need right here, and everything is enough. Just so easy with a whole buffet's inside of you.
And I guess happiness is Lubbock, Texas, and happiness is Lubbock, Texas, girl, would do. Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? Possibly.
So I got my second Chins lithium battery. It's 100 amp hours, and I'm getting ready to put that in parallel to the other one that I have already back there, so that I've got 200 amp hours on the solar. So what I'm doing first is I am making sure that this is fully charged. I've got the kick-ass smart charger connected to it. You can select lithium from the modes, and I've got it on fast charging right now. Once this one is fully charged, it'll say full across here. Then I'll go get the one that's connected to the solar, and I'll disconnect all of that and put it on here and fully charge it, so that I've got both batteries at a full charge, and then I'll connect them and get those put up to the solar. Staining the stovetop cover. It's been a couple of days since I did the top, so I think that's dry. Gonna do the bottom of it now. Probably should take these out. That one came right out. There it is. Looks pretty good. Left that dry a couple of days, a couple of nice sunny afternoons, and it ought to be ready to put back in the van then. Hey everybody, that's it for this video. I apologize that it's short and that there wasn't much talking, but I actually get really worn down by the art festivals that I do, and added to that a 12-hour drive back to Missouri. So I was exhausted and just needed a break, a little bit of a break. So promise to get back into the videos now, and I've got a couple more gear videos for you, including one about the Wolfbox dash cam / backup camera that I use in the van, and and another video about the Waggle pet monitor, which was gifted to me, and I've been really enjoying it. I've used it for a few months now. It's been a little while, so I've got a video coming out about that soon as well. So stay tuned for that. Appreciate you all being here, and hopefully I'll get back on track with the weekly videos now that I've had a chance to recover from the show. My next show right now isn't until October. I am looking for another one to do between now and then. But I'm not sure I'll find one, so we'll see. Anyway, take care, stay tuned. We'll see you on the next one.